Happy Tuesday. It is Wendy Lee. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US, and I'm excited to gather with you today and do a little paper crafting. So we are going to feature this super cute little treat cup. This is one of the projects in the 12 Days of Holidays Project Duos that I am sharing this week. So we are technically on day 3, but each day I am putting the links for the previous days in, so you'll have those. So this is the ensemble that is featured in the duo. So you've got the treat holder and then a little gift card holder as well. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute coffee cup though, and we'll put this together. All right, so let's make sure I am live on Facebook because that's where I'm supposed to be. So let's just double check that. And maybe I'm there. And hopefully I can get to some comments. Yes, good. Okay, so I can see that I'm there. I just need to get comments. Yay. All right, Jean, thank you. Amelia, good to see you. Kay, yes, happy Tuesday. Gwen, so glad you guys are here. All right, so I am going to switch my camera because you don't need to see my face anymore. And let's go on over to the project. Yay! All right, here we go. So let's see. Of course, I need to flip my screen so I can see. Hopefully, I'll be able to see you guys and your comments. I'm not sure. It's such a delay. Well, I'll do the best I can. So if for some reason I don't get your comments, I will make sure that I go back after, because you guys know I do that because I am a little challenged on the staying up with the comments as they come in. So I'm not even sure if this is giving me